The decently in every practical sense current exchanging volume of torrential slide explicitly is at $257,754,451, which all things considered, is genuinely huge in a by and large significant manner. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram incredibly. Avax United States dollar medium-term support in every practical sense remained at $13.68. Or so they really thought in a significant manner. Torrential slides EMA10 actually explicitly shows a very genuinely descending pattern in a sort of large manner. 08 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for reasonably 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these often generally in every practical sense. Got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what by and large explicitly is most certainly especially momentary cost expectation for torrential slide. Fundamentally is Avaxa for the most part wise interest in an exceptionally huge manner. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on, or so they generally thought. Be that as it may, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Avax specialized examination, truly let us basically discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, or so they for the most part thought. Or so they thought. Market investigation over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,177,112,561,953, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The especially all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense fundamentally remains at $20,577,638,440 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, so the genuinely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $20,577,638,440 in an unpretentious manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54% in an unpretentious manner. In spite of mainstream thinking, various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time span, in an especially huge manner amazingly. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, generally especially is up by 0.66, and right now exchanging at 47 cents. Which basically is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so forth, which especially is very critical. These occasions especially show that the market sort of is going in a truly descending bearing for truly beautiful present moment, which really is genuinely critical. Which is genuinely huge. As of now, a genuinely broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition actually really are significant specialized markers used to explicitly recognize truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in a kind of beautiful significant manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become a lot of most certainly more certainly dynamic, and especially truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which essentially sort of is very critical. Similarly, obstruction basically fundamentally is a level at which vendors certainly in a real sense become move most certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram in a genuinely significant manner. Following sort of basically are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The ongoing torrential slide cost certainly is $13.72, with an exchanging volume of $257,754,451 in every practical sense, recent hours, so torrential slide support and opposition levels, and so on in a sort of kind of enormous manner. Right now, Avax especially fundamentally is up by 8.09% since yesterday. with a market capitalization of $4,741,327,150 United States dollars, showing how yet prior to plunging essentially profound into the Avax specialized investigation, fundamentally let us most certainly discuss the kind of current economic situations, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, which is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value examination Avax cost examination for 08 July 2023, inside a day-to-day time period, fundamentally made sense of beneath. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents, subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on, which sort of is genuinely huge. We utilize really relative strength INDEXRSI, moving kind of fundamentally normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to essentially generally examine the future development of the torrential slide, showing how torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on in a genuinely enormous manner, while Avax's Williams %R marker in every practical sense basically is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, especially signal explicitly really is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense shows that at present, Avax generally is up by 8.09% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,741,327,150 United States dollars, showing how yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the Avax specialized examination, generally let us certainly for the most part, discuss the especially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner, in spite of prevalent thinking. The Avax United States dollar moving extremely normal combination and difference, MACD, marker, truly is demonstrating a truly in every practical sense, present moment basically sell genuinely signal, as the MACD line for the most part is moving underneath, sort of sign line, which all things considered, certainly implies explicitly bears generally are ruling on the lookout, further appearance how 08 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly actually essentially sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What fundamentally is certainly transient cost expectation for torrential slide, explicitly is Avax a by and large wise speculation, which all things considered, is genuinely critical in a very enormous way. Torrential slide essentially is moving in beautiful descending heading, as explicitly bears effectively in a real sense, by and large take the coin underneath quick help level of $14.76, exhibiting how Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, which generally is genuinely huge, which especially is